This is Agbabloshi, a suburb of Accra, the capital of Ghana. It's the home of the biggest electronic waste dump and is a livelihood for many. First, it feeds them, then it kills them. This is one of the most polluted areas with toxins and toxic metals on the African continent.
This your boy Yoga, and this is my crew.
I'm Hafidz.
I'm Aiman.
And I'm Soeren. Now sit back, relax and enjoy. So Yogan, can you tell me what e-waste is?
There are many types, but for now we would like to emphasize on handphones, specifically smartphone.
It may not seem like an issue as big as global warming, but it will pose a serious issue in the near future with the rapid growth in technology.
Based on these results obtained from a survey, the majority of the people are not well informed about e-waste in general.
Okay, that's nice and all, but actually you didn't answer my question.
Basically, electronic waste, or e-waste for short, is a broken, non-working or old electronic appliance such as TV, PC, air conditioner, washing machine and handphones.
So how long does an handphone take to become e-waste exactly? It's not like every handphone expires at the same time.
Roughly, most smartphones have a lifespan of about 5 years before they start breaking down. However, any and all equipment that have been disposed of or not used after time to a point of no use is considered e-waste.
As you can see, the amount of e-waste from handphones alone increases rapidly over the years. An estimate of at least 10,000 phones per year are a cause for serious concern. In the year 2016, the world produced roughly 43 megatons of all kinds of e-waste. This is equivalent to 9 Great Pyramids of Giza or 4,500 Eiffel Towers.
So, now you can imagine how bad this e-waste problem actually is.
Why is e-waste increasing every year?
Well, there are many factors. Some of them are the increasing purchasing power, affordability, and also the rapid technological developments.
What does that mean?
Well, nowadays, big companies are constantly competing with each other to produce newer models of phones. Best part is, even the smaller companies are coming up with great phones at a cheaper price.
Oh, so that's why people keep buying new phones all the time.
Yeah, and our survey points it all out.
Now, if you're wondering why handphones as e-waste is a bad thing, we will explain it all. Some of the biggest harmful chemical substances in the handphone include chlorine, arsenic, mercury, and lead.
I will start with chlorine. Chlorine is a component of the plastic part of the phone, specifically PVC, which make up about 30% of our phones. When chlorine is disposed improperly, it can cause tissue damage and the destruction of cell structure.
Then I'll go with arsenic. Arsenic is found in the microchip of the phone. In high doses, arsenic poisoning is lethal. Even if it's low levels of exposure, it can cause negative impacts on the skin, liver, nervous and respiratory systems.
Mercury is also one of them. It is used in cell phone batteries, crystal displays and circuit boards. Mercury exposure contributes to brain and kidney damage.
Lastly, lead. Lead is found in the most of the handphone, including the circuit boards, batteries, and as a stabilizer in PVC products. Lead exposure can cause damage to the reproductive, blood and nervous system.
Now that we got that part out of the way, how do we go about reducing e-waste?
We started off doing a survey to see other people's suggestions.
So a lot of people actually see how we can reduce e-waste, but unfortunately, most people ignore it.
Let's start off with something basic, which is recycling e-waste. Although recycling is 70% of the answers from our survey, many people don't actually know how to recycle e-waste.
So, what should we do if we have an old smartphone we want to get rid of?
If it's still working, you can always give it to someone else or sell it for money.
And if it's not?
Then you should find a collector that will dispose it properly for you.
One way to do it is by contacting Used Computer, a brand under TM Recycle, by going to their website usedcomputer.com.my.
Not only are they able to collect from your house for free, but you can also get money from the trade-in too. Of course, it depends on the quality of the e-waste you're throwing out.
Oh, I also heard that Senheng became a collaborator for an e-waste disposal program. You can go to any Senheng outlet and hand in your old handphones or any other e-waste to them.
By doing so, you can also get cash vouchers in return. Besides that, APC Shopping Centre also is a collection point for e-waste materials. Even the Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission (MCMC) collects all handphones under its mobile e-waste initiative.
What most people do not know is that our handphones have many rare and valuable materials that can be recycled as a resource.
The biggest one is gold, and it's found in a lot of electronics because it's highly conductive and it doesn't corrode very easily.
So, you tend to find gold coating on the pins and plugs and printed on circuit boards.
But there is also copper, silver, lead and palladium in there. It is not much per device, but as e-waste piles up, the amount of reusable metals in there piles up as well.
A study even showed that recovering gold from handphones is now more efficient than digging them out from the earth.
From gold mining, there's about half of a gram of gold in 1 ton of earth. Now of course, there are gold mines in various places on earth.
There, in 1 ton of earth, you can get about 5 or 6 grams of gold, which is about the weight of a large gold ring.
Comes to handphones as e-waste, the numbers are much higher.
So, if there's 1 ton of mobile phones, there's actually 350 grams of gold in there.
Even the medals that are going to be used in the upcoming Olympics are made of recycled e-waste.